Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the right car and setup, because a clean score begins before the first corner. Pick a vehicle with predictable handling and moderate power. Once chosen, set tires to 36-38 psi and soften rear suspension 1 to 2 clicks to increase rear grip. Make sure ABS remains available and traction control is low, not off, so you avoid spinouts while keeping speed. Now enter the event grid with these settings and drive a warm-up lap to learn braking points. This builds consistency and confidence. You now focus on execution. Control beats aggression. Brake earlier than instinct says and trail brake gently into the turn. This stabilizes the car and prevents lockups that kill your score. During corner exit, feed throttle smoothly from about 20% to 80%. Sharp inputs upset balance. Use the racing line indicator, but trust your feel. Make small steering corrections mid-corner instead of big cuts. Once done, prioritize consistency over one fast lap. Repeating clean, similar laps yields the perfect clean driving score. You finish by protecting what you built. Avoid contact, stay on track, and respect race limits to secure the clean score. After the run, watch the replay to identify recurring mistakes. Late braking and oversteer are common culprits, so make targeted adjustments. If laps feel twitchy, shift brake bias 1% forward or raise traction control 1 notch to gain stability. Alternatively, reduce rear toe for turn-in. If crashes persist, slow your approach at the most punishing corner and repeat controlled laps until flawless.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.